So this is my son's job this morning. This will be his first time setting up a CO2 alarm system with emergency set-off valves that are connected in with the fire alarm system and the building alarm and automation system. So these are all the sensors and controls for the cutoff. In case of an emergency, if the rooms go over 5,000 parts per million, I believe it is, the cutoff, the solenoid valves cut the flow of CO2 to the room for a safety measure for the occupants. And so this was handed over to my son. He's going to handle it solo. This is his job 100%. I am not doing anything on this one, and it's a first. And there's another one right after this. All right, let's see how this goes. And the lines, the copper right there will be the CO2 delivery. And it comes in and it goes right in through the wall. And then the CO2, they're going to have the solenoids out here and the sensors on the inside.